welcome back to another video. Today we're back on with the little K12 Micra. We're going to see if we can actually reset a maintenance reminder after the service we did in the last video. So to reset it, it's pretty easy. You have your ignition on, your logo comes up, and OK, down to maintenance, OK that, press service, your finger pressed on it. Can take a while this, I've been told. There we go. Set distance to next. OK, doing 9,000 miles. 12,000 miles. OK, I think that should be it. So now we'll just turn it back on, and it should have gone. Yep, it's gone. Perfect. What we'll do now though, I think I'm going to check, see if there's any error codes on the actual ECU with OBD2 port, Wi-Fi sender and an app on my iPhone. So the actual port for the K12 is under here. It's there. Just here. So make sure the ignition's off before we plug it in. Put that in there. Like so. Get the red light on it. The app I'll be using is the dash command. It's the dash command app. It's free to download. So you have to actually connect to the actual Wi-Fi in your settings on your iPhone, which I've done. I've now connected, so now we'll go back to the app, which is on my desktop there. Open that up, see if it connects. Like I say, I've already put in the settings for the K12 Micra 2004 1.2. I did go into detail on this app in a previous video on the Celica. Just found the VIN and everything else, which is good. It's connected, so I'll pop that link to that video at the end of this video. See what other features this actual app has got. So we're connected, so we'll click on diagnostics. It's read the codes, which is nice. 6 complete, 0 codes. Look at that. Misfire monitoring, so everything seems to be fine. It all seems to be alright. So we'll clear the codes anyway. Done. Yeah, it's not a bad little app this. You can go through all your different data grid and skid pad and log your files and settings, even racetrack performance, etc. You can even have your own dashboard on there if you want. Yeah, so like I say, I've gone through in more detail on this app with the Celica, so if you want to have a look at that video, I'll pop the link at the end of this. So there we go, a nice little quick video on the K12 Micra. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, drop me a comment below. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. I'll see you on the next one.